etc.
Sige.
Yes, Art.
Speaking of haka-haka, kasi na-mention ka haka-haka, yung Servas, magkakaroon sila ng performance na kanilang haka entry sa yung competition ng Sold sa Thursday po. So yung lahat ng mga taga Jebel Ali family, punta po kayo sa basement ng simbahan 7:30 kasi meron assembly yung Jebel Ali family. Blue, may announcement uli?
Well, may winner na tayo sa
meron na.
Yun, sa sumagot.
Sino? Si Eileen?
Sa katanungan sa Pinoy Tambayan Restaurant na located at Almaha Center.
Anong sagot niya?
Sa katanungan, ano yung main dishes na siniserve sa Pinoy Tambayan Restaurant? Ang dalawa ay, of course, Filipino and Chinese na mga foods. Alright? Ang nanalo, walang iba. Ay, isang babae. Okay, isang babae, si Gina Perlado. Alright.
Okay, congrats.
Gina Perlado, may tatawag sa iyo kung paano ma-claim ang prize. And you won 500 dirhams na pwedeng spend at Pinoy Tambayan Restaurant.
This morning on the Business Breakfast, the business.
Philippe Darboux-Pantonacci from Standard Chartered Bank.
Why does the Eurozone, why do those officials want to see Spain asking for a proper bailout, not just a sort of a bank rescue package?
I think it's just strictly bureaucratic rigidity. What they say is that we cannot just rely on your good faith that this is going to continue. We need to have proper supervision and monitoring.
The banter, speaking of numbers, show that there was a fall in retail activity during the games. What did rise, however, Mal, was sales of what the Daily Mail this morning is calling couch potato snacks.
Party food and drink.
What did go up during the Olympics was sales of fizzy drinks, sweets and crisps.
Considering that you've just bought a sort of giant bag of Toblerone into the studio this morning, I don't know why you're surprised that people actually will sit and eat chocolate while watching telly.
Sitting on the sofa with a giant bar of dairy milk thinking, no, you fool, to the left, to the left.
Run faster, run faster.
And tomorrow, we're going to find out what businesses need to do to tap into the spending power of the new stream of Chinese tourists. The UAE's most popular morning show, The Business Breakfast, featuring Malcolm Taylor and Brandy Scott. Weekday mornings from 6. Powered by Dubai Investments, Standard Chartered Bank, and Budget Rent-A-Car.
Dad prefers rich brown upholstered armchairs. Mom wants sofas in lemon yellow. My brother wants a black leather swivel chair. And me? I want a pink chaise lounge. I think that's what it's called. But we're all happy because we're at Pan Emirates.
The largest home furnishing store with the widest range in the Middle East. 300,000 square feet. Pan Emirates Home Furnishings, Al Barsha. Pan Emirates. One nation, one furniture store. Call 800-PAN. Filipino Rhythm. Brought to you by Al Ansari Exchange. Close to you in Al Khaladia Spar and Bawabat Al Shark in Abu Dhabi. Al Ansari Exchange. Your first choice.
Ito na po ang pinaka-final segment ng Filipino Excellence in the Middle East. Babalikan natin yung ating dalawang guests ng officers ng Cordillera in the UAE for their final message. At gusto natin pasalamatan yung mga nag-like sa Cordillera's UAE na picture na nakuha sa bayanihan. Si Ricky, Nora, Abby, Glee, Norma, Dante, Shawi, Marie, Noel, Michelle, Ibtisam, Kimel, at Ketch si Josie. Ako si Josie yata to, no? Tapos si Jeka. Okay, El?
Okay, going back to your group, ano ba yung mga planong ano nyo ngayon sa inyong listahan? Miss Marlene?
Thanks. As of now is, habang palapit na yung election, assembly at election is, we are almost to cover the plan of action that we had presented during the turnover ceremony last year.
Apo.
So, itong search is the last one. But we have one that we are still going to do, which is the amendment of the Constitution in bylaws.
Alright.
Yeah, so, after this search for Mr. and Miss Cordillerans is, of course, we will be having a victory party.
Okay.
So, it will be announced soon. But the Kalinga and then the Ifugao chapters will be having their victory party on Thursday in Ras Al Khaimah.
Alright.
Yes, so
Birthday ni
at the same time birthday ni Len. So happy birthday Len. Doon din isi-celebrate another extension. So may I take this chance
Go ahead
to invite all Cordillerans and guests who wants to join the victory party of these 2 chapters, they are most welcome. See the post or information sa Facebook ng Cordillerans Emirates at saka each chapter ng Cordillerans.
Is there any number that they can contact?
We have, there are certain names in there wherein they can contact people. So names in contact persons in every Emirates here in the UAE.
Well, hindi kayo pwede magbigay ng numero ngayon na they can remember or take note?
Hindi ko kasi andun sila kanina.
Bigay mo number ni Eileen para marami mag-greet sa kanya.
Sige.
Then, mamaya pa yung isang number sa inyo na pwede tawagan.
That's it. Ikaw naman. Anything about the group that you are advising more? Anong next direction na?
Yun. Actually, as mentioned by Madam President, we will be having the General Assembly most probably in the coming months.
Apo.
Tapos, we are supposed to be conducting these concerts yearly to, again, for a cause.
Apa.
And then we will be having sports fest. And, the festivals per provinces.
That's interesting.
So, that will be done most probably, if possible, simultaneous with the provinces back in the Philippines.
Like, mga anong mga months ito pag ganyan?
Before, this ulalim of Kalinga is, I think, at the same time yung sa same province nila.
Kailan anong buwan ito?
Last month.
July.
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 Okay.
Tapos yung sa Mountain Province before, it was April.
Langay.
That is the Langay Festival. So, yun, basically, it will be festivals per province will be coming.
Okay. Napansin ko lang na magagaling kumanta yung nyo, yung band nyo, Datsun. Wala ba silang balak na mag-recording so that they could, raise funds by selling their CDs? Kasi country songs ito. And yung mga lyrics, I'm sure, are from the heart. So,
oo, madam. That's a very nice idea na pwede nating i-present sa kanila. Maaari also na they can make their own composition.
Yes.
In their own native language.
Yes.
Para at least yun nga dun sa objective natin na ma-preserve yung ating culture and
sige, pag-usapan natin yan. Perhaps we can support you on
May number yata si Marlene na ngayon eh. Anong number yan?
Before basahin ko itong Victory Party contact person is that we have an upcoming activity on October 12.
Okay.
We have one chapter who hadn't yet done with their cultural event, which is the Beng chapter.
Okay.
So this will be done in Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
So calling all taga Benguet out there, contact your officers. Tapno makapag-practice kayo, makaset kayo no anyati plano yo for the upcoming Adivay sa UAA hosted by the Benguet chapter.
Okay. Si nag-text dito si Johanna Simpal, sabi sa akin, nandoon pala siya sa Sabil. New Year pala yun eh. New Year. So ito, nandoon si Johanna. Tapos salamat uli sa mga nag-like naman sa picture na mga nag-present sa Mr. and Miss. Yung babanggitin ko lang yung mga di ko pa nabanggit kanina. Ito si Lorelai, si Glee, si Janet, si Dante Coral, si Monina, si Shirley, si Daisy, at si Jen. El, ano pa mabasahin mo dyan?
Pwede yung ating mga birthday celebrant, si Ricky ano dyan yung kanyang pangalan? Pa-check lang. Just give me a second. Baka magkamali
okay.
Na
yung mga gusto mag-donate ng dugo bukas sa TriStar Transport sa Jebel Ali Industrial Area 2, punta na po kayo sa Ibn Battuta sa Paris Gallery. I-pick up po kayo ng coaster at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Dadala po kayo sa TriStar, kukuna po kayo ng dugo, tapos babalik ko kayo 6 o'clock. Ngayon, ang pagbigay ng dugo ay nakakapag-save ng life, tapos mabibigyan na kayo ng isang ID, just in case kayo rin mangangailangan ng dugo, Priority
kayo
kayo.
dyan.
So, be a hero, be a blood donor.
Okay. So, I'd like to greet si Ricky Banchancilia. He is in Singapore, but I'm sure he's listening right now. Si Weng Ringor Gonzalez at saka si Joy Garcia Lumakad. Sila yung ating mga FEME supporters. Happy birthday to you all and may God bless you. We'd like to have your message. Ano yung gusto nyong iwanan sa ating mga tagapakinig bilang isang igorot na nasa UAE, successful kayo. Oo. Ano yung gusto nyong iwanang mensahe sa mga nakikinig ngayon kahit hindi sila taga-Cordillera?
Gusto ko lang pong sabihin sa mga nakikinig na we are very proud to be called Igorots or Cordillerans here in the UAE. To correct the misconception that Igorots are the people who are kinky, who are not wearing shoes, who are dark in complexion, and sometimes they say that they are not educated. But we are so proud to say that Cordillerans or Igorots here in the UAE are very, very, very much educated.
Well said.
That's it.
Before anything else, I would like to thank 103.8 Dubai Eye for inviting us here. And yeah, as said by Madam Marlene, we are very proud Igorots. We are very proud Cordillerans. And if you would like to know more about us, you may check our Facebook account, Cordillerans Emirates.
Okay.
And you can also check there our respective chapters.
Okay.
That's all.
Thank you. Mayroon kayong gustong pagbatiin?
Sige.
Okay, last na po to.
Okay lang.
Gusto ko lang pong batiin lahat ng mga sumuporta at tumulong during the pageant search for Mr. and Miss Cordillerans. May God bless us all. And this upcoming victory party for Kalinga and Ifugao chapters, this is the contact person, Miss Janet, 055-635-8599.
Alright.
And mas marami pa siyang informations na maibibigay sa inyo.
Okay, thank you very much.
Salamat po.
Okay. Salamat in local language, local dialect.
Yaman.
Iyaman.
Mayaman talaga tayo.
Iyaman.
Mayaman tayo.
Iyaman.
Iyaman. Okay. Ikaw, El, being Cordilleran ka rin eh.
Lumaki ako
doon. Doon ka lumaki. Anong final message mo? Aside from your final message as a host.
Ang isang taong lumaki sa bundok ay malawak ang pagtingin sa buhay. Kasi mataas eh. Okay? Isa pa,
true.
Malawak ang pagmamahal sa mga tao. Humble.
Correct.
Ika nga. Okay? Tunay na kaibigan, ipaglalaban ka hanggang kamatayan. Huwag nyo lang lokohin. They value education, they value good heart, good soul, and they love listening and sharing, and they love music so much. Yan lang. So, maraming salamat, Miss Marlene, Tatsen, si Mang Domeng, yung may mga birthdays yan ng ating
Pia, tapos si Lapid.
At saka si Lapid. Yung mga nagpuyat, maraming salamat sa inyo. Alright, at sa mga nakinig din, ang ating mga loyal listeners, FEME partners, FEME mentors, FEME supporters, at FEME advocates. Tulad po ng dati, huwag kayong magsawang makinig or mag-post ng mga feedbacks nyo sa ating FEME wall dahil alam nyong meron kayong mapupulot by just sharing. Para po sa inyo ang programa na ito, hindi sapat na Pinoy ka, hindi pwedeng ox na yan o sige na nga. At dahil Pinoy ka at igorot ka, hindi ka dapat mahiyain, hindi dapat maging tahimik, feeling maliit. At may sinabi ka, kasi Pinoy ka, mahusay at magaling, may puwang ka sa mundong ito para maging isang Filipino excellent. Ito po si El. Maraming salamat sa inyo and God bless.
Okay. Batiin natin yung mga di natin nabating pangalan. Sino-sino nga sila ulit? Isa-isay natin para matuwa sila.
Si Miss Janet.
Babay yan. Okay.
Si Sinju.
Okay.
Si Len.
Okay.
Si Mr. Aglano.
Okay.
Sweetheart.
Sino pa?
Si Lapid.
Si Monet.
Ayun. So, lahat sila. Tapos,
si Bijong. Gayam, dagi adda pa jalikod. Sinutihan pa nga mention dita.
Lahat
so, amin na mensyonan. Kandagi agdengdengag nga Cordillerans. Gawis ayag sapat ako amin.
Okay. Sa programang ito, walang bata o matanda. Mayaman, mahirap, may pinakawala. Basta Pinoy ka, magaling ka, dito ka, kasama ka naman sa Filipino Excellence in the Middle East. Mabuhay tayong lahat at God bless.